Hello everyone, welcome to Naz Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at perfectly right place. Today we are going to learn 3 British phrases that will help you to sound more like a British speaker. The perfect RP accent that will help you to improve your British conversation in no time. These 3 phrases you can use in your formal and casual conversation. Let's get into it without wasting any time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go and subscribe to my channel. Our first phrase is to brush upon. To brush upon means to improve something, a knowledge or a skill that you already have. You can use it in a sentence like, I need to brush upon my French before our trip to Paris. You need to brush upon your communication skills if you want to get better career opportunities. Our phrase number 2, come across as. Come across as means appear or seem to other in a particular way. For instance, you can say, you don't want to come across as an arrogant person, do you? He comes across as an amazing communicator. Our last phrase is get on with. Get on with means to have a good relationship with someone, or you can say to continue doing something. It has 2 different meanings. You can use it in this way. I get on really well with my colleagues. Let's stop chatting and get on with our work. Now here I'm reading a scenario from a movie Harry Potter that will help you to understand that how can you use these 3 phrases in different contexts. Honestly, Harry, you really ought to brush upon your defense against the dark art note. You can't just rely on luck in the exam. Harry, I know, I'll get on with it after lunch. Ron, you always say that, mate. Hermione, oh, don't go on about it, Ron. At least he's trying. Ron, trying, yeah. Succeeding not so much. Hermione, with a smirk. You're just saying that because you don't come across as particularly prepared yourself. Harry, she's got a point, Ron. Hermione, anyway, if we want to pass, we'll have to sort out a paper study plan, not quiz up both of you. So that's how you can also implement. You can replay this video and listen carefully and try to understand these 3 phrases and implement in your daily life. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share it with other English learners who are obsessed with British accents. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video.